Hi, I'm Jen Long, Creative Director at Sizzix, and I'm here to give you a sneak peek of my summer card making bundle that's being featured on HSN on May 2nd. The bundle features a fold-along card pineapple and 2 sets of Thinlit phrases that work with the fold-along card base. Let's take a look at how the card is actually made. This is a fold-along pineapple card, and you can see it's an extended, uniquely shaped card base that has a label shape that you can insert right into those slots. But you do use a special folding technique to make this card base, so I'd like to take a look at how that's done. The first thing that you're going to need is a 6 by 12 piece of cardstock paper, and you're going to fold that piece of paper right in half. And you're going to place this folded piece of paper right onto your platform. I'm going to grab my fold-along pineapple die. I'm going to place this just a hair over that fold. Actually cutting on the fold. And I am using my magnetic platform to make sure that my die and my paper stays in place. So I'm just going to put my top cutting pad on, finish my Sizzix sandwich. I'm going to roll this right through my Big Shot machine. And when we remove our excess paper and take out the die cut and unfold it, you see that you have an extended card base. Now let's just get rid of all those little paper chads in there. And your next step is going to be to fold along all the score lines that are indicated on the pineapple card. And it is really a simple accordion fold. You can just line up the different pieces of the pineapple, pinch along the score lines. So once all your folding is completed, you have yourself a great little card base. But we still need to cut out that label shape that fits into this slot here. So we're just going to take this simple oval, cut it out of a piece of white paper. You can see that this fits perfectly into those slots, and you don't even need any adhesive. Now this is the perfect place to use some of those Thinlit sentiments that are also included in the bundle. But I'd like to cut some out using some of my favorite Sizzix accessories, and I'm going to start with an adhesive sheet. A Sizzix adhesive sheet is a 6 by 6 surface that essentially turns all of your die cuts into stickers. So let's take a look at how that works. I've trimmed down a smaller sheet of a Sizzix adhesive sheet, and I'm going to peel off the backing, and I'm going to adhere that to the back of a piece of cardstock. And then we're going to die cut it. So I've taken one of the die cuts from the sentiment sets included in the summer card bundle. I'm just going to lay that right on my piece of paper, and I'm going to roll that right through the Big Shot machine. And once we remove our die and get our piece of paper out, you're going to see that your die cut has a white backing to it. Now you can peel this backing off, and now this intricate die has adhesive perfectly along the back of it to be placed right onto your card base. Now let's cut out the flamingo icon that's included with one of the sentiment sets, and we're going to use one of our foam adhesive sheets. This has adhesive on both sides of it, and you simply peel off one side, and we are going to adhere that to a piece of paper. Now we're going to turn this over, and I'm going to die cut our flamingo out. And when we take a look at our die cut, you see that you have created a unique flamingo shape that has actual dimension to it. Since the foam is double backed, you can peel off the backing along the back side just like you would a sticker. And now we're ready to adhere that to our card base. Now we're just going to paste this right on the front, and you can see the difference you get from using foam adhesive with just a little bit more dimension to it. So these are some great accessories that all work together with our summer bundle that'll be featured on HSN on May 2nd.